Let me unbox and show you all the details on this Satechi Thunderbolt 4 docking station. Now here's how it comes. It is a great size and it is very well made. It is very clearly a metal exterior, super strong. And I'm gonna show you this close up in just a moment, but let me show you what else is in the box. It also has a manual, a 180 watt AC power adapter, with about 6 feet of cord on one side and another 3 feet of cord with the grounded plug that connects right into the other side. And it comes with one Thunderbolt 4 cable. Now here it is up close. Aesthetically, I really love these rounded corners. They are very unique and give it quite a nice design. And on the bottom, it does have these solid rubber feet, so it won't scratch any surface. Now let's get to the ports. On this side, you have your audio jack. This is an input or output jack. Your SD 4.0 card slot, 2 USB-A ports. These are 3.2 Gen 2 ports with 10 gigabytes per second. And then you have your power button. This is the Thunderbolt 4 host port. This is the one you connect to your computer. Then you have 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports. These are all at 40 gigabytes per second. 2 HDMI video ports. These are 4K 60 Hertz ports. And these ports will not work until you install the DisplayLink software, so be sure to look to the instructions for that. Then you get a 1 gigabit Ethernet port and your DCN power port. This docking station definitely packs a punch, and I hope this video helped you.